My question is, paano kung ako po yung parang breadwinner, then si husband is non-Christian, paano ako makakasunod sa tithing kung hindi naman siya naniniwala at ayaw niya? Paano ako susunod doon? Kasi gusto ko siya, pero hindi siya naniniwala at ayaw niya.
Hindi
Sa
siya naniniwala
tithing.
sa tithing.
May income siya.
Opo, may income po ako kasi may tindahan. Tapos siya rin po is may income din siya.
O di yung income mo, yun ang itay.
Yung income ko na lang po ang kaso pag, di ba, joint sa income, kaya minsan nag-uusap kami kung ano yung So, paano po yun? Ililihim ko po ba sa kanya or ano? Kasi ayaw niya po eh. Kasi tight po kami sa budget, marami kaming utang. Sabi niya, unahin daw yung utang, wag daw yung sa tights na yan.
Kung hindi po siya Christian, di ba sabi ng Bible, you will win over your husband by your what? By your tithing? No, your attitude. So kung ayaw ng husband mo, huwag mo siyang pilitin. You submit pa rin to your husband, but I would suggest praying for your husband, sharing with him the gospel, bring him to church, whatever it takes, and then challenge him once he becomes a Christian, and I know he will, then challenge him, honey, mag-consider ka na, mag-tithe na tayo. Kasi alam mo, habang hindi pa siya Kristiyano, he will not understand.
Yes.
He will not understand tithing the way we understand it. But in the meantime, win him over through your behavior. Anong asa?
Di ba sa 1 Peter 3, it says, wives, if there is anyone among you whose husband is disobedient to the word, you will win him over without a word by your chaste and respectful behavior.